Welcome to Epic. I am Jenny Shea Billings, and it is a pleasure for me to be your teacher. I look forward into increasing your data and making you be the best student that you can be. I received your data and I analyzed the things that you will be prepared and ready to work for. The very first 7th grade lesson that I am going to teach you through numeration is the absolute value. Now then, with these crackers, these are your absolute value bars. The next one is the number 1. I have also included a video of this to help the student understand what the direction is when moving from 0 and a positive and going to 0 on a negative number. So, if we have the absolute value of 1, when we take it out of the bars and work with it, it's going to be the absolute value of 1. Because you're only going to hop one direction from 0 to 1. Now then, let's throw in our negative number. Because we all agreed that that was very simple to do. So, with our negative 1, how many directions or how many hops are we going to have to take from negative 1 to get to 0? Very good, Ella. It will be just 1. Because whenever we're working with negative numbers and getting back to 0, because that's where we want to be, is 0 or higher, then that number absolutely does become a 1. Good job, Miss Ella. I look forward to you presenting this lesson to me tomorrow or the next time I'll see you. That is the overview of my instructional strategies and using the props. In my lesson plan, I had put in popsicles, but I think I'm going to change that to crackers because who doesn't like a pack of crackers after doing some hard math?